I'm completely and totally fine.
You completely and totally have a concussion, Stiles. Lie back down. The doctor said you're not leaving without a CT scan.
We still haven't paid for the last one.
Oh, no. Meredith is at the station. Your dad said it could take some time, but he will get her to talk. Even if I let you go, what would you do?
Okay, fine. Could you do me one little favor?
Anything.
Can you get me a tape player?
Like cassettes?
Yes, tapes.
Yeah, I'll see what I can do.
Okay, tapes, though.
Cassettes.
Find a tape player?
No. But I found someone looking for you.
Hey.
I heard you almost got killed.
I heard you almost got killed.
You okay?
Yeah, Brunsky punched me in the face. Turns out he was a serial killer.
Makes sense.
Yeah. What about you?
We almost got set on fire.
Everyone okay?
Basically.
You okay?
I'm fine. I'm gonna go.
You don't have to.
I should go.
Okay.
It's locked.
Why would she lock the door? Hey, Melissa? Melissa!
I could break it.
I bet you not. I already owe this hospital enough money.
Why would she lock the door?
I don't know, maybe she didn't mean to.
You don't just accidentally lock a door.
Okay, well, maybe she wasn't thinking exactly, or wasn't thinking it through. You know, people sometimes do things without thinking them through.
Then she's stupid.
No, even smart people can do stupid things, you know, because they think that it's the right thing. And I don't think we should hold it against her, you know, for the rest of her life. Especially because she's tried apologizing hundreds of times through texts and voicemails.
Is she gonna keep begging?
She might.
I don't have much practice in things like forgiveness. Some things I'm picking up fast, but other things are like...
Like math.
I hate math.
You hate me?
I like you, Stiles. I like you a lot.
Yeah, I can work with that.